How to set up voicemail on Android. This tutorial shows you how to configure your voicemail and customize your greeting. First, open the phone app on your Android device. Next, tap on the three dots menu icon in the top right corner. Following that, tap on Settings from the menu options. Now, scroll down and tap on Voicemail or Voicemail Settings. Moving forward, tap on Voicemail Number to verify your carrier's voicemail number is correct. Afterwards, if it's not set, contact your carrier to get the correct voicemail number. In addition to that, go back to your phone app and tap and hold the number 1 key on the dial pad. Once there, this will call your voicemail service directly. Subsequently, if it's your first time, you'll be prompted to set up your voicemail box. Moreover, follow the automated voice instructions to create a voicemail password or PIN. Afterwards, you'll be asked to record your name and personal greeting. Then, press a designated key to record your greeting message. Within the recording, speak clearly and say something like, "Hi, you've reached your name. Please leave a message." Alternatively, you can use the default greeting if you prefer. Once setup is complete, your voicemail is now active and ready to receive messages. And that's it. If this voicemail setup guide helped you configure your messaging, give it a like, subscribe for more phone tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.